Skincare is one of the very common topics that has been spoken by a lot of people. Many people really want to take care of their skin very nice, acne free. It shouldn't be having a dull skin tone, uneven skin tone, and so many other issues that is caused in the skin, because skin is that one primary asset that you need to be treasuring, you need to be nurturing, you need to be really taking care of a lot. Well, there are many products in the market which claims that it can be solving your uneven skin tone, getting rid of your acne, working as a sunscreen, so many things, UV rays protection and things like that. But people tend to get worried that should we be really believing that, should we be really spending our hard-earned money on that products, because you never know, it can go for a toss any single time. So I only recommend such brands which has been shown great, which has been showing great results on me, because I can only recommend only if I'm using it on myself, and also to whom I recommend, I also take the stats from them and then recheck exactly how is it working on them, and everything, all the details will be collected, and then I will be recommending to the people out there. So today's topic is that product, one of my one among the favorite products, among the best product that I've been using, and also suggesting to my patients as well. That is the Bare Body Face Glow Cream. Right here, this particular thing, amazing product, trust me, and I'll be telling you how exactly you can use this and where exactly can you go and buy it as well. Again, the link will be provided in the description box, so you can check it out from there. But for now, let's see what exactly this amazing product does. Dull skin, acne and damaged skin is one of the very commonly skin issues that has been seen by a lot of people. Now there are many reasons for that. Let's understand the reasons why exactly the acne has happened, why exactly the dull skin is happening, why exactly the skin is getting damaged. There is a proper routine that you need to be taking care when it comes to your skin. As I told initially, skin is that one primary asset. Whenever a person sees you for the first time, the skin is something that he notices first. So everyone would want that clear, healthy and glowing skin, So for that, there are certain steps, certain criteria that you need to be matching. But for now, let's understand why exactly the acne is happening. Now there are many reasons for acne. Okay, there are underlying pathologies like thyroid issues, PCOD issues, or unhealthy lifestyle, food habits, alcohol, smoking. There are so many reasons, factors for the acne. Apart from these issues, there are also other problems that once you go out on that polluted areas and wherever it is, once you come back, you don't tend to really wash your face really in a very good product, and also not using certain moisturizer, hydrating your skin. These are certain criteria that you need to be looking after. But sometimes due to busy schedule, due to busy lifestyle, we tend to miss this. Completely understandable, that's fine, but it is your duty to take care of your skin. Bare Body Face Glow Cream is one among the 3-in-1 lightweight and non-oily formulation. So one among the great product that you can be using for your oily skin, your dull skin, uneven skin tone, and also for your acne. One in all, I'm telling you. Great product. I've been using this for a very long time, and it has been really, I had a lot of pimples as well, and this has really taken care of it. And also my patients has been giving me a great review on this one amazing Bare Body Face Glow Cream. Now this particular product contains certain ingredients, that is primarily being the niacinamide. Now niacinamide helps in reducing the inflammation, whatever the infection is happening. Niacinamide reduces the inflammation, repairs the damaged skin, and also promotes cell growth. It also contains SPF 30 and protects against 97.7% of the UVB rays. Against sun damage, if at all is happening in your skin, this will also take care of that. 97.7% UVB rays damage. That's really great. It also contains jojoba oil, which prevents oily skin and also the clogged pores. So trust me, niacinamide, SPF 30, jojoba oil, one in all guys, one in all. Trust me, Bare Body, amazing. Now the primary problem that people will be having is the acne, the pigmentation, the hydration, moisturization. These are all the primary issues that they want to take care of. They tend to buy many single products. For acne, they buy a different product. For pigmentation, they buy a different product. For moisturization, one more moisturizer. Face, so many other products they keep on buying and spend a lot of money as well. When you get all the amazing stuff in just one product, why do you want to go and buy something else? And this has been showing really great results, as I mentioned earlier. So this takes care of your acne, takes care of your pigmentation, moisturizers, hydrates, whatnot. An amazing product that you should be definitely going for. The link for this product I'll provide in the description box. Go and check it out now. Now comes one more very important question, that is, how do you use this amazing product? How do you really use this? Should you be using in the night, morning, and everything? It's very simple. Just take a required amount of this cream and apply in the morning and night after a very good using a face wash and everything. After cleaning your face very nicely in a face wash, use this cream morning and night. Just take a required amount of it, the cream, and just apply it in a circular motion till it's absorbed. That's it, and you will be seeing visible results in 10 days or maximum 15 days. That's all. You'll be usually seeing it before that. Only within 7 days you'll be seeing many major results, but still 10 to 15 days at ideal time that I tell my patients. But great product out there. So Bare Body Face Glow Cream, this is one thing that I would recommend and suggest everyone out there to go and please check this out. Now, where can you go and check out this amazing product? The link is provided in the description box. Go and check out this amazing Bare Body Face Glow Cream now, and trust me, you won't regret it if at all you're going about with this product. So I hope you like this video. Now exactly you know where exactly you should be finding the best product for your uneven skin tone, damaged skin, acne, pigmentation, moisturization, hydration, every single thing all in one. You have it right there, Bare Body Face Glow Cream. So go and check it out now. The link is in the description box, and do not wait for it. That's it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video. I'm Dr. Niranjan Samani. Every single day I get medical content on my YouTube channel. So if you have any other queries regarding the medical content, just drop it in the comment section box, and I'll make sure I'll be taking care of each and every one of them. And also in the end, I want to tell one thing, that is eat healthy, stay healthy, only positivity, no negativity. I love you, DNSians. Tobias Sai here. Go and check out this amazing product now, and until the next video comes, bye-bye.